How to use CapCut templates on your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, all you have to do is simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar you want to go ahead and search for CapCut.com and simply log in to your CapCut account. So once you're logged into your account, you will see this kind of interface. From here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on templates, and just like so, you'll then be able to find all the templates available on CapCut. You can also choose from these options. Now next way to get CapCut template is to go ahead and open a new tab, and then in the search bar simply search for CapCut template and tap on the first link. And just like that, you'll be landing on that same interface like before. If you would like to use one of them, tap onto it, and just like so, simply tap on Use this template. And just like that, the CapCut video editor page is gonna open up in your screen. And just like so, you can go ahead and tap on the clip, then tap on Replace, and simply add your own image or video from your gallery. Well, that is simply how you can use CapCut template in your PC. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.